If you're buying an ultra-wide gaming monitor in 2026, raw specs can be misleading. A bigger screen does not automatically mean a better gaming experience, and a higher refresh rate alone does not guarantee smoother real-world performance. In this review, some of the best ultra-wide gaming monitors of 2026 are evaluated based on what actually matters: panel quality, motion clarity, response time, HDR performance, color accuracy, immersion, and everyday usability. Some models focus on competitive speed, others prioritize OLED contrast and deep blacks, while a few stand out for multitasking and productivity as much as gaming. By the end, you'll know which ultra-wide monitor delivers the best value, which one makes the most sense for first-time ultra-wide buyers, and which model stands out as the strongest all-around gaming monitor this year. First up is the ASUS ROG Strix 27, which presents a premium gaming experience built around a 26.5-inch QHD OLED panel with a 2560 by 1440 resolution. It delivers outstanding clarity, while the glossy WOLED screen adds impressive depth and vivid contrast. Moreover, the 240Hz refresh rate keeps every frame fluid and highly responsive. Combined with an ultra-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time, fast-paced gameplay appears exceptionally smooth. As a result, action scenes remain crisp, immersive, and visually controlled. TS' latest third-generation WOLED technology further improves overall picture quality. Full white windows appear 20% brighter, while MLA Plus technology also expands viewing angles for a more consistent image from different positions. In addition, the text looks cleaner and motion remains clearer during competitive gaming sessions. The monitor covers 99% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, making it highly capable for photo editing, video production, and professional creative work. Furthermore, the optional uniform brightness mode maintains stable luminance, which creates a more comfortable viewing experience during extended desktop use. ASUS also designed this display for long-term reliability. A custom passive heatsink, advanced airflow vents, and OLED care functions work together to manage heat efficiently and reduce burn-in risk. ROG-exclusive OLED anti-flicker technology helps minimize visible flicker during refresh rate changes, while G-Sync compatibility ensures smoother gameplay. Overall, it strongly stands out as an excellent monitor, and it is easy to recommend to gamers, creators, and modern professionals. Next up is the AOC Agon Pro, which is a serious 27-inch QD-OLED gaming monitor built for speed, clarity, and immersion. Its 2560 by 1440 QHD resolution delivers a clear image that feels detailed without demanding as much GPU power as 4K. More importantly, the 240Hz refresh rate and ultra-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time create exceptionally fluid motion. Fast shooters, racing titles, and competitive esports all benefit from the instant pixel transitions. In addition, adaptive sync and G-Sync compatibility help eliminate tearing and stutter, so gameplay stays smooth and controlled, even during rapid scene changes. The monitor's self-luminous OLED panel is one of its strongest features, HDR 400. True black enhances this effect further, giving darker scenes more realism and brighter scenes more impact. This makes the display suitable not only for gaming, but also for content viewing and creative desktop use. The height-adjustable stand adds comfort, while DisplayPort, HDMI, USB connectivity, and built-in speakers provide useful everyday flexibility. There are only a few minor downsides. Like many OLED monitors, long-term static content may require careful usage. In addition, HDR brightness is strong for OLED contrast, but not as aggressively bright as some high-end mini-LED alternatives. However, these points do little to reduce its appeal. Features like AOC game modes, shadow control, 120Hz console support, and customizable rear lighting make the package even more attractive. Overall, the AOC Agon Pro is an excellent gaming monitor, and it is easy to recommend to users who want premium OLED speed, rich color, and competitive level performance. Coming up next is the Sceptre 34 inches curved ultra-wide WQHD monitor, which is designed to deliver both immersive gaming and productive multitasking. Its WQHD resolution of 3440 by 1440 provides a much brighter and more detailed image than standard 1080p displays. With over 4.9 million pixels, textures, text, and fine details appear refined and clean. This wider workspace makes a noticeable difference during gaming, video editing, and daily desktop use, allowing users to view more content at once without constantly switching windows. The R1500 curved screen enhances immersion by naturally wrapping more of the image into the viewer's field of vision. As a result, games feel more engaging and cinematic, while wide spreadsheets, editing timelines, and multiple applications become easier to manage. The monitor supports refresh rates up to 180 Hz through DisplayPort and 165 Hz, depending on the connection, which helps create very smooth motion during fast gameplay. Moreover, the 1 millisecond MPRT response time reduces ghosting and motion blur, keeping fast-moving scenes clear and responsive. With 100% RGB color coverage, the display also delivers vibrant, accurate colors that work well for photo editing, video work, and media consumption. Sceptre also adds practical features that improve everyday usability. Picture-by-picture and picture-in-picture modes allow efficient multitasking by displaying content from multiple sources simultaneously. Eye care technology helps reduce strain during long sessions, while built-in speakers add convenient audio for casual use. The luminous back cover lighting gives the monitor a modern gaming aesthetic without being excessive. Overall, the Sceptre 34-inch curved ultra-wide monitor offers an impressive combination of speed, screen space, and visual quality, and it is easy to recommend to users looking for a capable display for gaming, creativity, and productivity. Next is the Samsung Odyssey G93SC, which is a premium 49-inch super ultra-wide gaming monitor built to deliver an exceptionally immersive desktop experience. Its DQHD resolution, effectively equivalent to two QHD screens side by side, gives users an enormous workspace with outstanding clarity. The 1800 radius curved panel wraps naturally around the field of view, making racing games, open-world titles, and flight simulators feel far more expansive. At the same time, the extra width is highly practical for productivity, photo editing, and multitasking, since multiple windows can sit comfortably on one screen without feeling cramped. Its QD-OLED panel is the highlight of the display. Samsung combines OLED's self-emissive pixels with quantum dot color enhancement, which results in brighter highlights, richer colors, and deeper blacks. Display HDR True Black 400 further strengthens contrast, revealing shadow detail without light bleed. Moreover, the 240 Hz refresh rate and ultra-fast 0.03 milliseconds GTG response time create remarkably fluid motion. Competitive games feel fast and responsive, while G-Sync Compatible and FreeSync Premium Pro help eliminate tearing and stutter. HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, and a USB hub add modern connectivity, while picture-by-picture allows two devices to run side-by-side at native resolution. AutoSource Switch Plus also makes device switching fast and convenient. There are a few considerations. Its massive 49-inch size demands a large desk, and not every game fully supports the extreme ultra-wide format. The adjustable stand, ultra-thin metal design, and immersive panel make it feel truly high-end. Overall, the Samsung Odyssey G93SC stands out as an outstanding ultra-wide gaming monitor, and it is easy to recommend to users who want top-tier speed, OLED image quality, and a massive cinematic workspace. Next up is the INNOCN 49-inch curved gaming monitor, which is a large-format, ultra-wide gaming monitor designed to deliver immersive gameplay and highly efficient multitasking. Its massive 49-inch screen, which is equivalent to having two full HD displays side by side. With a 3840 by 1080 resolution, the monitor provides a broad field of view that makes racing games, simulation titles, and open-world adventures feel more expansive. In addition, the premium VA panel offers strong contrast and solid image depth, while the 1800 radius curvature wraps the display naturally into the user's field of vision. Performance is another strong area. The display supports refresh rates up to 144 Hz through DisplayPort 1.4, which creates smooth motion and fluid gameplay. Adaptive sync further helps maintain stable visuals by reducing tearing and stuttering. The monitor also includes height, tilt, and swivel adjustment, making it easier to create a comfortable viewing setup. Connectivity is especially impressive. The INNOCN includes USB-C with 65-watt power delivery, DisplayPort, HDMI 2.1, USB-A, USB-B, and a 3.5mm audio jack. This wide selection allows laptops, gaming consoles, tablets, and other devices to connect easily. Overall, the INNOCN curved gaming monitor offers excellent screen space, modern connectivity, and immersive ultra-wide performance, and it is easy to recommend to users who want a versatile gaming and productivity display. Finally, the Samsung Odyssey Neo G95 NC, which is one of the most ambitious gaming monitors available today. Its enormous 57-inch panel uses a 32:9 aspect ratio and dual 4K UHD resolution, effectively delivering the screen space of two 4K monitors side by side. This results in exceptionally visual detail, wide visibility, and a massive desktop workspace. The aggressive 1000 radius curvature pulls the edges of the display closer into the user's field of view, which makes racing games, simulators, and open-world titles feel remarkably immersive. At the same time, the extra horizontal space is highly useful for multitasking, content creation, and productivity-heavy workflows. Performance is equally impressive. The monitor supports a 240Hz refresh rate and DisplayPort 2.1 connectivity, allowing extremely fluid gameplay even at its demanding dual UHD resolution. Fast movement appears controlled and highly responsive, while AMD FreeSync Premium Pro helps eliminate tearing and stutter. Samsung's Quantum Mini LED backlighting with quantum matrix technology further elevates image quality. There are a few practical considerations. Its huge size requires a very large desk, and fully utilizing 240Hz at dual 4K demands a powerful modern graphics card. Overall, the Samsung Odyssey Neo G95 NC is a spectacular flagship display, and it is easy to recommend to users who want extreme immersion, elite performance, and an enormous high-resolution gaming workspace.